I want to teach you how to lie your way to the bestseller list on Amazon. Just kidding. But sort of. So we wrote a book, you may or may not know, You versus Google, the very unauthorized guide to Google Ads, and it was #1 worldwide in both marketing and advertising, which are two of Amazon's toughest categories within the Kindle ebook rankings. And I've done that before. I've done it once before with my other book, The 7 Critical Principles of Effective Digital Marketing. Didn't think that title through, just trying to rip off Stephen Covey. And the way generally that this works, by the way, and this is the model. So if you're going to write a book and you want to hit #1, this works pretty well. Instead of launching the book and trying to market it, that doesn't work because Amazon resets its rankings daily. And so everybody who bought today doesn't apply to your ranking tomorrow, and so on and so forth. It's on this 24-hour rolling pattern. So what you want to do is market the book from a pre-launch perspective. So we started marketing and we ran ads, we did YouTube videos, we sent out emails to our list saying, hey, we wrote a book, You versus Google. It's going to be amazing. It's, the authoritative guide. Everybody's been waiting for it, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to give it to you for 99 cents for a day. I'm going to give it to you for 99 cents for a day. And I'm pretty sure that Amazon's promotional window, by the way, requires you to list it for a little bit more than that. I don't remember exactly, but you're going to, mark it down to 99 cents for a short period and then put it back to where you want it to go. And the reason you're doing this is because you get a bunch of people to opt in. So you run the ads, you send out the emails, you go to your list and you say, hey, I'm going to give you this book for 99 cents. I'm only going to give it away for 99 cents for a day, and I'm not going to tell you when it is. Opt in if you want to get alerted when the promotion goes live. It's sometime in May or whatever the month is that you're doing this. So we've got thousands of people to opt in, literally thousands of people to opt into our list. And we've got this huge list, and we've promised everybody this book for 99 cents. The ebook, right? You're not going to get the physical book. I think it cost me $20 to print this damn thing. Look at this. It's unbelievable. And it's color, which is great. It looks great. So we get thousands of people to opt in for the ebook. I go to set the promotion inside of KDP, which is the Amazon publishing portal. And Amazon has this weird, obscure rule that if the file size of your ebook exceeds a certain size, you can't list it at 99 cents. The lowest you can list it is at like $2.99. And so now I'm like, I just promised thousands of people this book for 99 cents, and now it's $2.99. And you might say, well, it's $2. Who cares? Breaking a promise in the world of marketing, catastrophic error, complete breach of trust, etiquette, integrity. Like if you tell people you're going to do something, you better do it, especially if they don't really know who you are. And so it was this horrible inflection point where I was like, well, what do we do? We can't, Amazon will not allow us to mark this book down to 99 cents. The lowest we can go down is $2.99. We need to launch the book. We'd made a bunch of promises and had obligations and whatnot. So what we decided to do is I sent out an email to everybody who opted in, and I said, the subject line was, I've made a horrible mistake. And then we split tested that with, I lied to you. And I'm pretty sure that I lied to you outperformed the horrible mistake. Regardless, it's a pretty compelling subject line, got a much better open rate than would have expected to get otherwise. And I just told everybody the truth. I said, hey, I promised you this book for 99 cents. Amazon won't let me mark it down to 99 cents because of their file size policy, screenshot of the error message I was getting. So I'm just going to give you the book for free. And then I created an opt-in page where they could go, fill out a form, and get the ebook for free. We just sent them a PDF file. And then I went on to say, however, I'm still trying to hit the #1 spot. So if you wouldn't mind buying the book, I'd be really grateful. I have it marked down to $2.99. If you don't want to, totally get it, no big deal. Here's what's interesting. The people on the list, a ton of people downloaded the free ebook. Far fewer bought the book than I would have expected otherwise if it was 99 cents. However, that was the initial blast. What ended up happening, though, is that page, the free book page, went pseudo-viral. People started sharing it like, hey, you can get the Solutions 8 book for free by going to this page. And on the page, I had a video of myself explaining the exact same situation. Look, we don't want to give this away for free. We worked really hard on it. It's 18 months of my life, but I made this mistake. I'm giving it away for free for a short period. However, if you want to help us hit #1, please go buy the book. And we got, it must have been 5 times as many sales as I expected based off of that promotion because a ton, far more people downloaded the free ebook, but enough people were, kind and empathic and helpful and clicked through and bought the book that we ended up being number one in both marketing and advertising. And one of those is much bigger than the other, by the way. In my previous book, I only hit number one for the smaller of the two. I think advertising is bigger than marketing or vice versa. Whatever. I should know that. Marketing's bigger. Who knows? We'll find out. Regardless, it was a great way to turn a bad into a good, a negative into a positive. And I got a lot of really good feedback. People, hitting me up, messaging me, emailing me like, hey man, good on you. Tough spot to be in, et cetera, et cetera. So built some goodwill, put some books in people's hands, helped some folks, hit number one across all of Amazon, which is a feat worldwide, number one marketing advertising, you versus Google. And the book is still free, by the way. If you want to download the free ebook, you can go to solate.com/free-book, or maybe you can buy it. Give us $3 or whatever it ends up being now. So that was it. I just wanted to share that story with you because I thought it was kind of cool, to be honest. And if you plan on launching a book, that's the way to do it. So I hope this is helpful. I shoot a video every day. I'll see you tomorrow. It's Cosmo Solutions 8, and I'm here to tell you about a mistake that I made. That's a little embarrassing, to be honest with you. We just got finished running a very aggressive promotion telling everybody that they can buy the You versus Google book for 99 cents on March 1st, which might be today if you're watching this video on March 1st. And that was our intention.